If your mornings feel rushed and chaotic, the last thing you need is a complicated coffee routine. That's where the Amazon Basics single-serve coffee maker K-Cup 14-ounce steps in to save the day. Designed with both speed and simplicity in mind, this sleek black and stainless steel machine delivers a fresh cup of coffee in minutes without hogging precious counter space. Whether you prefer the convenience of K-Cup capsules or the rich flavor of freshly ground beans, this compact brewer gives you the best of both worlds. With flexible cup sizes, easy maintenance, and a built-in auto shutoff for peace of mind, it's an ideal choice for busy professionals, students, or anyone craving hassle-free coffee at home or on the go. If you've been looking for a reliable, budget-friendly alternative to pricier coffee makers, this Amazon Basics model could be your perfect morning companion. Compact and space-saving design. One of the standout aspects of this coffee maker is its space-saving build. Measuring 5.98-inch D by 9.44-inch wide by 14.17-inch high, it's designed to fit neatly into small kitchens, office break rooms, or dorm rooms where counter space is at a premium. Despite its compact footprint, it doesn't feel flimsy. The combination of black and stainless steel gives it a sleek, modern look that blends well with most kitchen decor styles. At just 4.63 pounds, it's also lightweight enough to move around or store when not in use. Dual brewing options, K-Cups or fresh grounds. Perhaps the most important feature for many users is the dual brewing system. Unlike some machines that lock you into only one method, this Amazon Basics model lets you choose between K-Cup capsules, perfect for those who want speed and convenience. Just pop in your favorite pod, press the button, and in minutes, you've got a fresh cup of coffee. This is great for busy mornings or workplaces where time is short. Fresh grounds, for coffee drinkers who prefer more control and variety, you can use your own ground coffee. This opens the door to experimenting with different roasts and blends. And it's also a more eco-friendly choice, since it reduces single-use plastic waste from pods. Having both options makes this coffee maker highly versatile, catering to different preferences within a household or workplace. Flexible brewing sizes. Unlike larger coffee machines that brew whole pots at once, this is a single-serve coffee maker designed for personal use. It accommodates cup sizes ranging from 6 to 14 ounces, making it flexible enough for both standard mugs and larger travel cups. If you're someone who enjoys a small, strong cup in the morning, you can brew a 6-ounce serving. But if you're headed out for a long commute, you can easily brew a full 14-ounce cup that fills your travel mug. This adaptability makes it practical for people with different coffee drinking habits. Easy to clean and maintain. Coffee makers can quickly become messy if not designed with cleaning in mind. Thankfully, this model simplifies upkeep. Removable drip tray, catches spills and drips, and it can be easily rinsed under the sink. It also helps accommodate taller travel mugs when removed. 24-ounce refillable water reservoir, large enough to brew multiple cups before needing a refill. It's detachable, which makes refilling and cleaning hassle-free. These features not only reduce the time spent cleaning, but also help ensure your machine remains in good condition for longer. Auto shutoff for safety and efficiency. Leaving appliances on accidentally is a common concern in busy households. This coffee maker helps prevent that problem with its auto shutoff function. After brewing, the machine automatically powers down, which improves safety by reducing the risk of overheating, saves energy, making it an eco-friendly addition to your kitchen. This small but thoughtful feature adds peace of mind, especially for those who tend to rush out the door in the mornings. Performance and brewing experience. With 1,200 watts of power, the Amazon Basics single-serve coffee maker is designed for quick and efficient brewing. While it's not competing with high-end espresso machines, it excels at delivering consistent hot coffee with minimal effort. Speed. Most users can expect a hot cup in just a few minutes. Taste. The quality largely depends on the coffee you use. K-Cups deliver convenience, while fresh grounds allow for a richer, fresher flavor. Consistency. Thanks to its straightforward design, the machine produces consistent results without the variability that can sometimes plague larger, more complex brewers. Pros and cons. Like any appliance, this coffee maker has its strengths and limitations. Pros: compact and lightweight design, sleek black and stainless steel finish, dual brewing options, K-cups or fresh grounds, flexible serving sizes, 6 to 14 ounces, easy to clean removable drip tray and reservoir, auto shutoff for safety and efficiency. Affordable price point compared to premium brands. Cons: single-serve design means it's not ideal for entertaining or brewing for multiple people at once. No advanced features like programmable settings or temperature control. Brewing strength largely depends on the coffee you use, no built-in customization options. Who should buy this coffee maker? The Amazon Basics single-serve coffee maker K-Cup 14-ounce is an excellent choice for college students, compact and affordable and easy to use in small dorm rooms. Busy professionals. Quick brewing times make it great for morning routines. Small households. Perfect for couples or individuals who don't need a full pot of coffee. Office use. Convenient for break rooms where employees prefer single cups. Travelers and renters. Lightweight and portable enough to move between locations. It may not be the best choice for large families or households that consume multiple cups at once, but for single users, it's an efficient and reliable option. Final verdict. The Amazon Basics single-serve coffee maker K-Cup 14-ounce strikes a great balance between affordability, functionality, and ease of use. Its compact size, dual brewing options, and simple maintenance make it a smart choice for anyone who values convenience without clutter. While it doesn't boast the high-end features of more expensive machines, it delivers exactly what most coffee drinkers want: a quick, reliable, and tasty cup of coffee with minimal effort. If you're looking for a budget-friendly single-serve coffee maker that works with both K-cups and fresh grounds, this Amazon Basics model is a strong contender that deserves a spot on your kitchen counter.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.